Hello, guys, and welcome to another post-market analysis of Bank Nifty on a 5-minute time frame. And today is November 13th of 2023. And yesterday was our Muhurat trading. We have done a post-market and also a pre-market analysis taking 2022's, that is last year's Muhurat trading as an example. And we have done a pre-market analysis to give you a glimpse of what to expect from the Muhurat trading yesterday. So those who have not seen that video, you can go ahead and watch it in our post market analysis series. So coming back today, I hope you have all had a wonderful Diwali yesterday, and today is a fresh day on a fresh week, Monday. So let's start our analysis from our daily charts as usual. So on our daily chart yesterday, we had a support area drawn right there. We have a support area drawn right there, and we have not seen a close beyond this point yet. We have not seen a close beyond that point yet. Even yesterday was Muhurat trading. Market tried to open a bit gap up on that level, but really failed to close above that area. And this is today's price action of Bank Nifty. This is today's candle. Even today, market we have not seen a close beyond that or below this. So really, we have to still wait to come to a directional conclusion only after seeing or close on above that or below this area. So that's it on a daily chart. It's going to be very crucial in the next coming days, because if you see a breakout below this area, we can expect market to come back to the levels of 42,200 levels, and if it is closing above this area, we can at least expect it to 44,600 levels. But on the both the sides, you should see only not just a breakout candle but also a confirmation candle with a if it is coming with a proper any candlestick pattern, then that's even good. So let's get back to our 5 minutes chart and see what market has offered us today, and let's check what we can learn from today's price action. Okay, so this green box that you are seeing here is a support zone from a daily time frame, but since markets are within this range, we can uh, let's start and see what has happened with this box. Okay, so here market has opened today at 43,900 levels. On Bank Nifty has opened around 43,900 levels, and from there for the next couple of candles till 15 minutes, three candles straight or pure red candles, and this is the place from where you have seen a small reaction. So this place has sustained this level, has sustained prices for more than half an hour. So I would recommend you to draw an intraday support there, and then prices have started showing a very strong reaction from that point. So we would have drawn a good resistance area till there as well. So now what has happened here, we have seen a breakout and a confirmation candle, but on the downside, see this lower level of your support zone from a daily chart will act as a support as well, and similarly this upper line here will act as a resistance as well. So this is an important level. So here you would have if you know, or if you have seen our candlestick pattern series, we have a very clear and detailed video explain on a candlestick pattern called a hammer, which is this formation. So that right there is a hammer coming at a very important level, that is at our daily. Okay, I'll just reduce it. Okay, so this hammer is coming at a very important location, that is at this daily support level, bottom line of your support level, which is a very strong support. So after that, what you have seen is this setup. This setup is these two candles put together is called an engulfing pattern. We also have an engulfing pattern video there. So these two in our candlestick pattern series, so these two are giving us a bullish engulfing pattern that is coming after a downside movement, which is also bullish engulfing pattern. So this is also a good reversal pattern, and the most important reversal pattern is the bullish engulfing pattern. So we have a video on this as well. So we have video on the many candlestick pattern series. many candlestick patterns in our candlestick pattern series. So I request you to go. I'll leave that playlist at the end of this video, so that you can go ahead and watch our candlestick patterns there. And also, along with this, in this two candles combination, this particular candle is also a hammer, because you have a top which is less than the size of your real body, and you have a tail which is pretty much the two times length of your real body of this green candle. So this one right there is also a hammer. So this is also giving you, so that is a hammer. So till now we have how many? Three candle formations coming at a very important level, that is this line, which is a well defined support area from a daily chart. So all this put together, see, we have four confirmations here. And also, you the next point, but not the least one, is your risk versus reward ratio. So let's check what's our risk versus reward ratio. In this case, you would have entered into this candle's closure, or you would have entered at this candle's closure only. But here, you're kind of not seeing any proper risk versus reward ratio because of the tail size of your candle. But in this case here, whereas here, this candle formation setup is right there, yeah, right there. And now you have, on the upper side, you have a target of this line, where your risk versus reward ratio is 2, which is pretty good. And now we have seen our prices hitting our first target within 1 2 3 4 5 6, with exactly within 35 minutes. That was a good trade. And you know, as always, we always recommend you to bring your cost, uh, bring your stop loss to cost when you reach your first target. That is what has happened here. And your second target in this case would have been that, and that would have been your final target. That is because of your this zone right there. So here in this case, now you have a target achieved of 77 points there. So I'll just write a small note there of 77. And then let's see what has happened after that. After that, we have seen a breakout above this support area, but really a risk versus reward ratio is not giving us that good chance. But here in this case, you have again, here you have seen a good engulfing pattern coming at an intraday, this reaction, that is an intraday resistance. So here, if you have taken a trade there, this was your target. So in this case, your risk versus reward target is also giving you a good hint towards the downside. So we would have taken a short trade there, but looks like it was a stop loss, a genuine stop loss. That's fine. So this was a genuine stop loss taken. Okay, your risk versus reward ratio was great, but it didn't work this time. You Here, your risk versus your net points was minus 34. So what we can do is, we can write here as minus 34. We'll calculate all these points towards the end. So here we have 17 initially, and after that 34. So now let's see what has happened after 34. You can immediately excuse me, yeah. So just to avoid this confusion, I am taking this main support that we have drawn, because we have come very far from this area. I'm just taking this green zone box out, which was our daily support area. Okay, so now this box has given us, okay, we would have extended that. But you see, this was a failure of minus 34 points, and then again you have a downside failure there till here. But then again, where was the next chance? Here was your next chance. That was around your 125 candle, 125 candle. This candle you have seen a breakout, but immediately after that, you have not seen a great proper follow through candle. But you have seen a prices coming to this area. They are retracing back to your resistance area, which was earlier. Now it is your support area. There you are seeing a hammer formation again. But here, this is again a now good place to take a trade towards the upside, because the risk here below this is not giving you a proper reward, which is immediately there. So that's why we couldn't take that trade as well. And after that, pretty much according to us, there is really not a good option anywhere after that. So excuse me. So this was only a trade opportunities that we are seeing today. One is 77 points profit, and the other one is 34 points uh, loss. So you would have seen a 47 minus 4, 43 points of profit. So 43 points of profit on a bank nifty is better than a complete loss. So this is it for today. I hope so. Okay, let me just write that. So 43 points in bank nifty. Uh, so don't worry about the stop loss. See, no setup can give you, no setup can give you 100% profit. Okay, so 43 points profit. So no setup can give us 100% profit, during all the times. So for this, I hope, see, but this is an excellent setup here. This is an excellent setup. You see the number of formations today we have got. At the important support area, we have got the hammer, we have got the bullish engulfing pattern, we have again got the hammer, and again we have a proper risk versus reward ratio. That is where we have got the 77 points. After that, that next trade did work quite well, but that was absolutely fine. There was one chance we would have avoided this trade. That is, we have a rule saying, see, whenever you had this, you remember this entire green box was there from the daily chart. Yeah, when you are anywhere between any of this support or resistance zones, you are not supposed to take any trade. But here, because you have an intraday resistance, we it is giving us an allowance to take a trade, but it didn't work. That's fine, absolutely. So you would have taken a trade there also. These two, that is one line, and here you have erased a line. These two are the points. Ideally, that there we would take any trades, but in between, anywhere, if you want to take trade, you would like to see you would like to see any of the swing highs and lows forming a proper resistance and uh, support. Only then you can take trades in between. Okay, I hope you have learned some valid points from today's price action. And that's it for today. See you in the next post market analysis video. Thank you. And please do subscribe for our channel for more such valuable post market analysis videos on bank nifty exclusively.